Getting fit doesn't always require a gym or equipment. With the right body weight exercises, you can build strength, burn fat, and tone your muscles, anywhere, anytime. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for a no-equipment workout, these 5 essential body weight exercises will kickstart your fitness journey. Let's dive in. First up, squats, the ultimate lower body exercise. Squats strengthen your glutes, quads, and core. For beginners, start with your feet shoulder width apart, lower your hips as if sitting in a chair, and keep your chest up. Aim for 3 sets of 10 reps as you progress. Try deeper squats or jump squats for intensity. Next, push-ups, a classic upper body move. If standard push-ups are tough, start with knee push-ups. Keep your hands slightly wider than shoulders, engage your core, and lower your chest to the ground. Push back up, maintaining a straight line from head to heels. Do 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps to build chest and arm strength. Third, lunges, perfect for legs and balance. Step 1 foot forward, lower until both knees form 90-degree angles, then push back up. Alternate legs for 3 sets of 8 reps per side. For extra challenge, try walking lunges or add a pulse at the bottom. Fourth, the plank, your core's best friend. Hold a push-up position on your forearms, keeping your body straight from head to heels. Engage your abs and hold for 20 to 30 seconds. As you improve, increase to 60 seconds or try side planks for obliques. Finally, glute bridges, great for your posterior chain. Lie on your back, knees bent, and lift your hips toward the ceiling. Squeeze your glutes at the top, then lower slowly. Do 3 sets of 12 reps to activate your hamstrings and glutes. There you have it, 5 essential body weight exercises to build strength at home. Start with 2 to 3 workouts per week, focus on form, and gradually increase reps. For more fitness tips, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now, drop a comment below, which exercise will you try first? Let's get stronger together.